Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm in my bathroom. I wanted to just do like sorry if it's like echoey, hair styling video. I don't know if this lighting's good. Yeah, I kind of wanted to do like a side part. It's not that crazy of like a styling video because this is like 2-day-old hair and my hair is pretty greasy. And I've been parting it in the middle, and I kind of wanted to just do like a side part. I really want like a sleek look, so I figured I'd do it with you guys. But if you're new to my channel, subscribe. I will have some more videos on how to style short hair coming up, because why not? But this one is just kind of like easy, get ready with me kind of deal. Yeah, so it's just straightened and 2-day-old greasy hair. And I honestly have to go out and get some gel because I don't really have like slick hair products. I used to, but they were thrown out. Anyway, so I'm gonna just use a water bottle. I just have a bunch of brushes here. I don't know. I'm also gonna I'll probably use my Miracle It's a 10 just to give it that like conditioning, and I'll have my hairspray. I don't know. I need gel. I'm just gonna take my hair. I'm just gonna start wetting it actually. Why not? Take a regular brush. Where do I want the part? I have to take this mirror because I'm gonna figure out where you want your part. I don't know. It's so hard because you're where the mirror is. I opened the mirror so I can't look straight on. Let me just find my part. Oh yeah. Is that good? Good part? I don't know. So now I'm just gonna wet this front part so it's trained. It's really want it to stay down. Wet it a little bit. Kind of push it over. I want it to be like a really nice, sleek, new gel. But luckily, since we have a greasy hair, I'm gonna put this in here just to give it a little like something conditioner. Okay, so I'll probably put a little more. I would suggest like a lightweight gel, like not like a gel that makes it crunchy, because you don't want crunchy. You want like a soft gel or something, so that's why I'm doing like this conditioner. That's all I have. I'm sure you can, but since I straightened it, it's very pin straight anyway, so it's not like I'm styling it from wet hair, because this wouldn't work with that. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go out and get some today. In the meantime, more. This is basically just get ready with me. Sorry, this is my first time doing this sleek look, so probably shouldn't have worn black either, so you can see it. I don't know. Now I'm just gonna get the hairspray. Little water. And comb it through. Is this gonna work? We shall see. Probably need gel, Charlotte. Yeah, probably need gel. But I kind of want like a drier. Oh, this bang. No. Nope. I know what I'm gonna do. I have a clear mascara. And I'm just gonna take this kind of do that. So this stays down. And that doesn't move. That's like my concern. It's right there. There we go. Now we're thinking. All right, guys, that is it. Do you like it? I don't know how I feel. What's going on? This doesn't look like a straight line. This is probably wrong. I gotta go out and get gel. Like, okay, so I don't know. I'm confused here. Okay, so this is the look. I don't know if my part's really straight, but this is like the sleek look I'm going for. So I definitely need to go out and get some like lightweight gel. I don't know. Something. I'll let you guys know. I will definitely be doing a couple more hair videos because, like, you guys know I just cut my hair and I want to have some like cute styles to it. So if you recommend any products, comment below. I will definitely keep you updated. My room's a mess, don't mind me. I'll let you know how it holds up. But definitely subscribe. I have a ton of videos. It's not all on hair or anything like that, but I will put up some more, and you know the deal. So let's see what glasses work with this. These look good. Do these go with it? I don't know. No, I think these are too much. Okay, not great lighting, but this is hours later. My hair held up, but I did just purchase 2 products. First one is the Garnier Fructis Smooth Air Dry Anti-Frizz Cream, and I actually put it on my hair and it helps a lot. It made it like a shiny balm look. I like it, and it's not sticky. And then I also bought the Tresemme Extra Firm Control Gel in the number 4. There was a 5, but I didn't want it to be extra like sticky or crunchy. So I haven't tried this, but I feel like a little bit of this would be good too. But anyway, yeah, so this is the look. I like it, very sleek. Sorry this was all over the place, but I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.